How do I check the number of devices logged into Snapchat?
Welcome to this video tutorial on how to check the number of devices logged into your Snapchat account. Follow the steps below to ensure your account security.
Why is it important to check logged-in devices?
Keeping track of the devices logged into your Snapchat account is important for maintaining your privacy and account security. It helps you identify any unauthorized access and take appropriate action.
Can I see the number of devices logged into my Snapchat account?
Unfortunately, Snapchat does not provide a direct way to view the number of devices logged into your account. However, you can still take some steps to check for unauthorized access and manage your account security.
How can I check for unauthorized access?
1. Check your login history. Snapchat allows you to review your login history, which includes the device, date, and time of each login. To access this information, follow these steps. 2. Open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. 3. Tap on the Settings, Gear, icon in the top right corner. 4. Scroll down and tap on Login Verification. 5. Under the History section, you'll see a list of recent logins. 6. Look for any suspicious activity or devices that you don't recognize. 7. Enable two-factor authentication. To further secure your account, enable two-factor authentication. This will require a verification code when logging in from a new device. 8. Go to Settings, as mentioned earlier. 9. Scroll down and tap on Two-Factor Authentication. 10. Toggle on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. 11. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup.
What if I suspect unauthorized access?
If you notice any suspicious activity or unfamiliar devices in your login history, immediately take the following steps. 1. Change your password. Go to Settings and tap on Password under the Who Can section. Enter your current password and then enter a new, strong password. 2. Log out of all devices. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Log out of all devices. This will force every device to log out of your Snapchat account, including any unauthorized devices. 3. Contact Snapchat support. If you still suspect unauthorized access or have any concerns about your account security, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. Remember, it's crucial to stay vigilant and check your Snapchat login history regularly. Although there isn't a direct way to see the number of devices logged into your account, following the steps above will help you maintain your account security and privacy.